Hello, do you remember me? We met outside from the other side of the airport. You remember maybe? Glad to see you again here. How are you doing? You remember we were sitting together. We joined the same table. You said you were with your girlfriend, a nice tall lady, isn't it? I'm probably your captain if you're flying soon. If you're flying with a 747-8. So this young lady here, she's your grandmother, she's your aunt? Because you said that the other one was your girlfriend, isn't it? I mean, this girl is also your girlfriend? Would you like me to buy you something, a coffee or an ice cream or drink something? Would you like? You have a very nice taste, I must admit. May I join you, I suppose? Isn't it you're not against? It is such a pleasure to meet you again, and I hope we will have a jolly good flight soon. Dear lady, would you like me to buy you a drink, something, a coffee, an ice cream? Anyhow, maybe I don't want to disturb. I hope to see you soon, and you take care. Have a nice flight. Glad to meet you, ma'am. Hope to see you soon during our flight. The strange passenger. Hello, may I join you? Can I buy you something? A drink, an ice cream, something? Some explosives maybe? You have your own ones. Okay. Are you flying with us? I mean, I'm your pilot. I'm a 747 Boeing pilot. Hope to see you soon during our flight. I hope we will have a nice flight. You take care, bye for now. Strange people in this airport, I'm sure. This man I have seen again. So let us continue. Hello, may I join you? The man is your father, I suppose, isn't it? Can I buy you something, a drink? Would you like an ice cream or a coffee? Sir, can I buy you something? I'm your pilot. If you are flying soon, I'm your pilot. I'm a Boeing pilot, a 747 Boeing pilot. She's beautiful, isn't she? Yes, of course, she's very beautiful. Yes, you know, I always want to have my plane somewhere nearby because once I was in Dubai and there was an incident there, I lost my plane in the airport. And ever since I like to bring my plane somewhere closer. Just to have a look, you know. Excuse me, I also wanted to tell you something if you don't mind. Just a piece of advice. I noticed something and I would like to inform you about it. You know, I noticed this one it is about your father. If you have a look at his fingers, I'm afraid that recently he had a stroke. So as soon as you reach your destination, I think it would be wise to bring him to a doctor. Because, you know, this numbness seems to be a sign of a stroke. So I hope I will see you soon during our flight. You take care, bye for now. Let us go outside. Yeah, I feel definitely more secure when my Boeing is nearby and she's such a beauty. Here he is again, I can't believe it. Here he is again. I mean, it cannot be his twin brother, isn't it? Hello, may I join you? We met earlier, if you remember. If you don't mind, I would prefer to take, my position here. I always want to be close to my plane because I lost a plane in Dubai in the airport, and ever since, I'm a little bit more cautious. If you don't mind, can you move a little bit further? It is too narrow here. Or you can return to the other girlfriend of yours. I suppose that I will be your pilot soon. Hello, would you like to... Can I offer you a drink, something? Soon we will be flying, yes. Do you have something to carry? Maybe you don't want to carry your bags, I can help you. We can transfer them right now, if you have something. You can give me your bags and I can bring them inside the plane, No, it is not a problem for me. I mean, you don't have any baggage. Oh, I see. It is okay. Maybe you want an ice cream, something, coffee, drink, something can I offer you? Yes, I always, I want to have my plane nearby because it is expensive and it would be good not to lose my plane, isn't it? It would be the second time. I mean, they will fire me. I already lost one plane in Dubai airport. It was another one, 777-200 this time, from Swiss Air. It will be a pleasure to have you on board, yes. It was a pleasure to meet you again. Bye for now. Many crazy things happen in this airport. And we have a long way. I mean, we must start our engines. This is why we are here, to start our engines. We occupied lots of places in the parking area, but it is more safe like this because indeed I don't want to lose my plane a second time. This would be more than enough. It already happened once. It happened in Dubai, where I lost my 777-200, a Swiss Air Boeing 777-200. So I think it is time to start the engines and to have a look at our checklist.